Okay, is what we have here is we have a Gates pocket tension setter. If the items we're going to need for this is the pencil stick and the pocket catalog. We open it up to page number 5, 4 and 5. Here is our gauge. The first thing we need to know is our sprocket, the small sprocket diameter, and we need to know what the span length is. So we're going to go to the machine. First off, our small sprocket is roughly 5 3/4 of an inch. Our span is going to be from center of the large pulley to the center of this one, and it's roughly 17.5 inches. At this point, we're going to go to the book. Now in the book, we're using the 3V small pulleys. We come over here to the notched because we have the little grooves in it. We come down here, we have a 6-inch pulley, 5 3/4 inch pulley. We follow this across, and our scale is minimum of 5.8, maximum of 8.6. Now we want to stay on the minimum side. So as what we end up doing now is we set our inches, or our pounds, we set our pounds at 5.8. By doing this, we bring this small O-ring up, we come to the measurement of pounds right here, and we set this for 5.8. We're just going to go a little bit more than the number 5. You can see the number 5 right there. We're going to bring that just down just to where it almost hits. 5.8, somewhere right in that area right there. Very good. Our deflection, or our span, is 17.5. In the book it says right here that for every inch of span length is equal to 1/64. So we have 17/64 of span, 7/16 of the deflection. So now on the bottom ring, we're going to bring that up to 17/64, which happens to be just a little bit over 1/4 of an inch. And we're going to set that right there. Now, as what this has done is I'm going to push the belt on this end. I'm going to hold my hand on this end. And as I put this side on the belt, I want to line this O-ring up with the belt adjacent to it. So let's go to the belts. Having this in my hand, having my O-ring set, I'm going to push this on the belt. I'm going to bring that up to this point. We're going to measure the bottom side of the O-ring at this point. Then I'm going to take it away, and notice how this O-ring stays. I am set at the exact right tension. Had I have pushed too hard, if this was a looser belt and I had to go in further, then you notice my O-ring moves, and I can see this pounds of force is off. So this belt is set correctly. Let's do the next belt.